I am Abdurrahman Muhammad. I will show today our circuit, which is a power supply, beginning with the components. First, transformer from 220 volt to 9 volt, and then with the bridge, and then with the capacitor 100 microfarad, and then with a voltage regulator and resistor 320 ohm and red LED, and the plastic breadboard, and then the operation with Rahat Khalid.
First of all, the input voltage is 220 volt, it's AC voltage. Then the transformer step down transformer converts it into 9 voltage AC. After that, the bridge converts this voltage into unidirectional voltage, and then the capacitor converts it into ripple voltage. After that, the regulator converts the ripple voltage into a DC voltage, and when the DC voltage enters this LED, it works.
And now we will turn on the LED. Thank you.